This is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer Boost to another server on Discord. So here you go. To transfer Discord server Boost, it's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. You can open our Discord. And in here, I have a server. I have Boost server that I want to transfer. So from this server, I have Boost this server. You can see. You can select on the server name, server Boost. As you can see in here, I've Boost the server, and now I want to transfer the Boost server. It's very simple. So you can go to here to Nitro Home. You can scroll down. There's an option server Boost. You can select on that. I've boosted this server and unsold this server, and I want to transfer it from this server to this server, or this server to this server. You can select on the tree that's over here. There's an option transfer boost. You can select on that. Now just choose on the server that you want to transfer the boost, like this. Again, select on yes, transfer boost, and boost activated. So now you have transferred the boost. It's very simple, right? So that is how to transfer boost on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!